My name is Matthew. I'm at TAFE SA studying Certificate 3 in glasswork and glazing. The apprenticeship program at TAFE SA has provided me with the ability to work in the glass and glazing industry. The tricks and tips of being successful in the glazing industry is probably to be attentive to all the details, making sure you're installing correctly. Start of September, I went to Queensland for the AGWA Award for National Apprentice of the Year, where all the other state winners were there to compete with everything to do with glazing.
Matt came here with a focus, and his focus was to be really, really good at what he did. And that set him apart from a lot of students that come here. And because of that focus and because of that attitude, is one of the reasons why he did become South Australian Apprentice of the Year. And it's also one of the reasons why he became National Apprentice of the Year.
I've got a background in landscaping, and then I just wanted to improve my career, go somewhere further and potentially make my own business. Well, I came into not knowing anything about glass, so how it's processed, how it's made, and now I've learnt all that, how it's cut, and the process of how it's actually made from all the different materials to the final product of us installing it, and that was something that I never knew before.
There is no reason why you cannot travel the world, not only Australia, but the world with your trade. The industry needs more people in glassworking and glazing, and I do know people that have actually been over to Dubai and done glazing in the big high-rises over there. You don't have to stay in the one little area. You can actually expand your horizons and jump into a lot of different areas if you want to.